How to remove blackheads on your nose. Using home remedies. 1. Apply egg whites to your nose. While the smell of raw egg on your face or nose can be unpleasant, egg whites are rich in nutrients and are less drying than other home remedies for blackheads. Gather together 1 egg, a facial tissue or toilet paper, a small bowl, and a clean towel. Separate the yolk from the white in a bowl. Clean your face using your preferred cleanser. Pat your face dry and use your fingers to apply a thin layer of egg white on your nose. Let the first layer dry. Then, spread a second layer of egg white on your nose. Let it dry. Apply a third layer, but be sure to let each layer dry before applying another layer. Allow the final layer to dry for 15 minutes. Your face will feel tight and pull a bit. This is a good sign as it means the egg whites are sticking to your nose and to your blackheads. Dip the washcloth in warm water and gently scrub the egg whites off your nose. Pat your nose dry. 2. Exfoliate your nose with baking soda. Exfoliation is important because it removes dead skin cells, which prevents these cells from clogging up your pores and creating blackheads. It also revives circulation on your skin and gives you a healthy glow. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a bowl with mineral water to make a paste. Apply the paste on your nose and massage it gently so you don't harm the skin. Allow the paste to dry for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Repeat this remedy once or twice a week. Baking soda will help to dry up the blackheads and make your skin appear brighter and cleaner. You can also add apple cider vinegar to the baking soda paste. Apple cider vinegar is a nature astringent and antibacterial. 3. Make your own pore strips. Pore strips are made of some sort of adhesive and something to attach the adhesive to your nose or face. When you pull the strip off, you pull the plug of the sebum and dead cells out of the pore, thereby removing the blackhead. Keep in mind pore strips do not prevent blackheads, they only remove them once they have popped up. Use milk and honey to make your own pore strips that are free of the harmful chemical or fragrances found in store-bought pore strips. Gather together 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of milk, and a clean strip of cotton from a shirt or washcloth. Mix the raw honey with the milk in a microwave-safe bowl. Warm the mixture for 5 to 10 seconds in the microwave. Stir the mixture to make sure it is well blended. Test the temperature of the mixture to make sure it is not too hot, and then apply a thin layer over your nose. Pat a cotton strip on your nose gently, pressing down on the strip. Let it dry for at least 20 minutes, and then carefully peel the strip away. Rinse your nose with cold water and pat it dry. Use the pore strips on a regular basis to remove blackheads. 4. Make a natural toner for your face. Toner is great for removing any dead skin cells on your face and reducing any redness or inflammation, especially around your nose. Use a cooling herb like mint to soothe any irritated skin. Mix together 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons of crushed fresh mint leaves in a small bottle. Let it sit for 1 week in a cool, dark place. Strain the mixture and add a cup of water. Store the toner in the refrigerator for up to 6 days. Apply the toner nightly by rinsing your face first with water and then using a clean cotton ball to apply the toner to your nose. Leave the toner on overnight or for several hours if you have sensitive skin. Be sure to moisturize your nose after applying the toner. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.